What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, we have some people from which part Nisha come from, and they might talk about everything we go on at the funeral. You know, say some people they are complain like they must say Nisha's sister, some family member face was a type of way, you know what I mean, where it show like say she not in a nothing with Owie and them thing there. So them are gonna talk about that also and about things. So we're gonna go over there. Some people we also have Red Answer Anna. I don't know if it's a prank them a pull off my people. I says them take away Wilbert, you know what I mean, from this morning, and I try to find out. So now them come and confirm say yeah, them take away the youth. So more know what go on why them take away the youth, because them was so quiet. Them never did in and mix up no drama with the youth and something. So what really go on? Or maybe it's a stunt them a pull off. So we are gonna get in that, my people, and we are gonna want to tell more thing in the comment section. We have a bunch of more things to share to my people. So I not even remember what else I have to share, but definitely may have more things to share with you know. So even while we go on, maybe I add more things. So I could get in at my people. I could kick it off.
By the way, good evening, lady, and good big up yourself, General. And good evening to the...
Alright, this a person that only gorillas him know him personally, them from St. Mary. So him used to carry him go to school or somebody them know them from the same place.
But Your Honor, let me ask you a question. There is an allegation me want to say first, and then you can get back your floor. There is an allegation state that someone tweet and said to me, it is high time people will know that two person as a male person hide them agenda and come in at the media because they don't want to know who people them is. That's have a different day. But I'm going to tell you where you go, it have some mix up in it. Say some people hide them love as a fear and I find other people who go like them in love with, but they are the real couple. Me soon tell you about that. That's going to be a very different. Yes, very deep. But what you are saying, go on over here so now.
So basically, the whole thing with the money situation. So what you get from the mother? Can you not talk to the mother?
Okay, you want that? Okay.
Yeah, we want to know you get from the mother.
Okay, the mother is saying she don't get no money, but she's sick and the pressure, and she want to get rid of the sickness, but she do not like the scandal and the things them with the son.
So she don't receive no money up until now?
No money, so she don't know about the money, I lie boy I tell. And she don't want nobody to tell lie upon her. And she said she feel as if that she want them to stop because her pressure go up in her head, but she don't get no money.
Alright, so who was this person named Kofi Anderson? Because we have the thing, you know, the Kofi Anderson person.
She says she don't know about that. She don't name Kofi Anderson. No, she never asked.
Who had her phone? How him know say how? Alright, how figure it out most of the mother in the hospital? Who tell it? Because him have some text message in the RT, some message where
alright, this is what I understand. I couldn't get, as I'm call it, traffic. I couldn't get a direct interview because she did it on somebody platform and the person let me in for ask certain question. And me just did not want to kick me off because me never asked much question to take over them show. But she clearly made me know she don't know nothing about the money. She don't get the money. I said, so one to the $300 when me ear say say she don't know nothing about that. She don't get no money for that.
$840.
No, go so the lady said woman said she don't get none.
In man say I'll talk to the doctor, but RT we need to go. If somebody look at we need to
alright, the sister where they here, the sister know about the money?
No, the sister don't know. That's why the sister and the mother everybody confused. The sister live at Jamaica, she don't live at Trinidad. So she here. Go ahead.
So we reach a point to say that figure it out is now to showing that some look a liar tell, because liar tell why we are make it look like figure it out is the Messiah.
He sent money to somebody, you know. He sent money to a coffee from Trinidad, but who is that person?
Lawyer, we all know him beg money. We all know him use the mother name. We all know him get the money, but the mother never get it. That's where we at. So we know him send the money to somebody else, but it is not the mother.
Yeah, that's why we are coming. The mother said she not get it up until now. So
but that's but everybody know them a use.
And the people that say surgery in Trinidad is free. So because RT first him come and say, "I'm pay for you," because him say $5,000 something pay for the surgery, and then he come back yesterday after $3,840.
Have money like me.
Hold on, we have to go back on the receipt.
The man look money for clearing car off.
Lord have mercy. So the man will get the money all now.
Me say the man look money for clear the car them from off. Like before Christmas you receive car where man pay for out of the people them. Papi show which mama sick. You know much time me I look woman. This is what I don't understand. It's a fundamental line where gal is used when they want to rob people. And as a fundamental gal is when picture to be. And me back in the days when me want to rob gal I rob spell the first thing me say, you know my mother sick. But them that thing they played out in my whole
Hear him say, RT, hear him say.
Going on back scoop, we not even know nothing. Going on back scoop, figure it out and scam people 5. Where did I tell you to 5,000 US? Eh? When we did that, what is screen recording? You say, Uno? Oh God, man. So why you tell like person?
Hold on, listen, RT, listen. Hear him now.
Someone want to come by my life every day, come cry about our dog, but I don't give the surgery already. You see me? The surgery was 5,000. Something. You see it? Done out of the way already. So the most we can do, pray. I know say me I wait to the best.
Alright, you hear that? So him say never say it, who that you hear? No same voice now?
Tell me know the boy are wicked. From the boy turn the people them over there in a whole chef. Me say my wicked.
We could play the voice note, then when the person talk. We could play them. Listen.
Yeah, you're voice message now go through. Anyways, right now you give me the information the time was too late. I got Barbados tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave the money with my friend. I just want you to send it. I want you to send me the receipt and I take it. Yeah? Listen to me, TikTok like the man take your money buy plane ticket, go Barbados, go buy tourist pussy. Sorry, no, well, me here's a bad word there, because we got a bad word there. The man take your money, go Barbados, go buy tourist vagina, white girl, and jump over there.
But RT, like, so the mother really not get the money yet, RT?
The man, you know, see the man that do the money in a hotel there, you know, see where the money take the man serving to jet to holiday, you know, see.
And over here say mother scam him and all kind of thing, and I don't the mother not see the money yet.
Hey, we need to forget the mother, you know, because the mother.
Rona, where your mother? Rona, you can't get your mother to come over, Rona.
Yes, man, the mother coming like she have a old fridge energy like me like her. She was talking everything.
No, because this not real. And then today in come back. Alright, in played this one today. In come back and play this today.
What's that? Come on. You understand? Come.
Hold on. We have to go find it. Cause holy.
Yes, man, I'm gonna be serious. My makeup, man.
In play this today.
Wanna go tell the mother over where they there while I go to TikTok.
Here, listen, RC.
You see this social media business? They don't call anyone who want to call me on social media. Don't know this. They did to everybody. Everybody they did to. They don't. They don't want social media man. I bring you down. What social media man I bring you down? Then who for sitting me I bring you down we don't like you.
People, the only thing right now me see can see or figure it out if the Western Union receipt when him sure him can get it, bring it on live and show the people them every details on it, who received the money, how much money him send and when him send the money. You see what I say? So let me know all I think me go watch some more.
Wow. Then you taught them something there? So how long we dey on social media with their name? We don't understand that. How comes we dey on social media with their name? They ever see me on social media talk nothing about you? Eh? You ever see me on social media talk nothing about you? We never dey on social media talk nothing about you. We don't go on social media
when she said this to RT, she said something about him all the time when you and him cut off the part there. You know, make
Alright,
hear.
I'm going to tell you why I'm going to jump on the mother, because I'm not hear fully them something. I talk to her, but I never get a full interview. I try get. But listen, you see when I listen to that video there now? I can see when she say, okay, you talk everything say me was a prostitute, yeah, for content. But here what look man, me no play sick game. Because me dead, me not come beg you, cause me you know so 100. So do what you have to, but no do the sick game with me. Me have to come talk because you not get no money off a sick me. Okay, I understand the mother there so. Because yeah, the mother not so good, so we are going to run the sick me if you get money off of the mother. And I like say, I go say, mommy, instant me I get 5 days, I keep quiet, hold it. Come on, mommy, and bring him down, yes? I am for the mother.
I'm going to ask you something. You're a big personality over here, right? And you talk everything under this stone, but one thing, me two person, me can't tell you, me never hear you bring no your family into nothing. The only time you bring your wife into something now when you're bigger up, right? All right. You imagine him mother, even if she dance go to take care of him. What is that for him to tell the media?
Him have bitterness against the mother too, and the mother have bitterness against him. Me not gonna deny that. Me hear that in the two of them vice, but why him bring it come first?
Him bring it come first. And he basically make it seem like him mother want kill his woman, because hear what him say. He make it seem like say Akeem father never take care of him because him mother did want go dancer. He make it seem like him father meet him mother like at the club. I know the one like a one night stand, so him father never recognize him. That's why I make it seem, you know.
Yeah, but things do happen and people have them past.
But them not related, them not brother.
We know them and a brother.
Mr. He make up some story in him head.
Just like when I tell you the people, but listen, let me tell you where the young boy them do wrong. You know them can't angle the success. Them did alright when him that talk about him galley story because him have a certain amount of people that listen to him. Now you have everybody that listen to you. Now them back and front lie there. So look how much videotape you have play with him say, and him a come back and say him fake. And that's what it is. I'm fake and I'm busy doing one big story because
I said his brother story RT, him sell it even more than Akeem.
Of course, them gonna tell him every time Akeem fuck up him, I don't want come around and come talk about yeah, my reason, my brother, and he ain't good man, my brother good man, you know, too very like him at the problem solver, him a fix it all. That's the whole issue. But me just feel like say the diamond energy now give him the money where him expect. So him use a sympathy, the whole mother if he get some money.
Alright, let me tell something to RT. Look when him reach a Barbados to Akeem mother. And all of a sudden when he reach a Barbados, Akeem mother say, series back on our rose shoes start their foot. And him go over there go put things in the woman head. Where him go to RT?
Yeah, but alright, listen to me now. The mother claim say, alright, based on what the mother talk. The mother say everything. But the mother, me blame, when the mother say serious soon start back and so forth, me burn out the mother for that. And no people not gonna agree. Here why? The mother uphold with the carelessness and the mother now go defend her son for say the earth. So me no like when she come and talk about promote the whole series. I think she shouldn't stay out of it because she don't know say
but RT me think say him go over there go put things in the woman head. Just like
how I think as well. Him can do, yeah, you're right. Me not say you're wrong. You're right. But the mother should have stay out of it.
Things in our head, but just like RT, you me hear panina, feel like me hear panina. Them say when the series it just start, you know, Akeem did one back out, you know, and him tell Akeem say the name knows the live no mute, you know, and him a convince Akeem to do this. You like me hear panina one.
Yeah, him that talk. And I like say
I think that him force all the series from Akeem, you know. Me think that him sell it to him, you know, because him have the mouth there where him like to convince people and sell things.
You're like an advisor energy.
Yes. Like a salesman.
But him cannot do them something because now him a fuck up his reputation because the bottom line is you bring down your mother then you collect the money off of the mother. No, if him never collect the money off of the mother, we wouldn't hear the mother mouth. And then him a go const he never beg TikTok none. Alright, RT. So when go for this tire part too. Alright, do we have the post?
Him say no, him not beg the mother money. Bella, me want you follow me, Bella. Help me there so. You are a ranker / beggar, right? And if you come and say to your platform, say chat, you know, some mother sick and she in the hospital upon her dying bed, what is that saying to your platform? Today me want extra gifts, right or wrong?
Exactly.
That don't mean you have to come out and say you never come out directly, but you tell them, you know how to suppose the quest, tell them who you want.
Indirectly, but everybody
Okay.
of course.
Okay.
What's your paper? What's your cash out?
Alright. Are you gonna send more gifts? You're gonna send extra gifts today, right or wrong?
Right.
Because that day he said that he was in the ranking. Him up in the ranking. So you're gonna say you never come out here, you only come and ask per prior and whatever. No, sir. You could have wait till everything passed and then they come back and say, chat. I don't know, some mother got you a little ordeal, but she over it, no? You never come and no, you knew exactly what you were doing.
He did, because we know TikTok.
So,
Miss Camille, let me ask you something. Miss Camille, when is the last time you spoke to your son, apart from yesterday? When was the last time you spoke to your son?
I spoke to my son this morning, not
Apart from
yesterday.
this morning, like before the hospital
I
situation.
sent a voice note to him.
So before this morning and the whole hospital ordeal, before this whole debacle, right? When is the last time you talked to him?
Then I talked to my son.
So when you had the surgery last month, did your son know you had surgery last month?
No.
Did he pay for that surgery last month?
No.
Did you pay for that surgery last month?
No.
Oh, so the surgery was what you didn't pay for it? Okay. All right. So when you went to the hospital, when did you go to the hospital? The last hospital experience. When did you go to the hospital?
Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday.
And how long were you in the hospital?
Spend the day and the evening and the night.
So you spent about 1 day, about 24 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. One other question. When you
Hey, my people, you see them TikTokers, yeah? Me I tell you, say, if you try to study them, you will be mad. Me I tell you that because them so convincing when them I tell them lie, my people, you don't know which part if you believe, you see me? Because you figure it out, mother say she don't really talk to her son, and him did come and say, boy, I don't really have a relationship with him mother, and you know what I mean? But my people, now between the mother and him and the money was him send off, and none of them, two of them are go against each other. Like one of them have to be wrong, my people, but we just don't know who wrong, and at that more I love to find out who I tell the lie. So we can watch some more, my people.
were in the hospital, did you have possession of your telephone?
No.
So who had possession of your telephone?
One of my friends.
Is that friend Kofi Foster?
No.
Do you know a Kofi Foster?
No.
Okay, and all right, another question is, when you was in the hospital, did you tell such friend to reach out to your son and let your son know that he was in the hospital?
No.
So did you ask your friend if they spoke to your son, if he or she spoke to your
Yeah,
son?
they said they don't know anything about it.
Wow.
what's the bitterness with you and your son? Why will he talk things about you in the media that you don't approve? Like, say things that you address. I see on a platform addressing that. I don't like the fact that he's saying things about me and I never one day yet address him. I only address the fact that I don't get any money. But why you believe he's saying this stuff about you?
Because I hear it.
So you're saying it's a lie?
Yeah, because when he say runway in a bush and them thing get 2 years, I don't know nothing about that.
Alright, me can ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. Him said the last time he spoke to you, you called him and asked him for school fee for his younger brother. He said that was the last time he spoke to you. That was how long ago?
A couple months ago, if I'm not lying, is early up in this year or late last year. If I'm not lying, I don't really remember.
So did he send you that money for the school fee for your son?
Yes.
Or he sent the money for the school fee?
Yes.
Because he said that was the last time he spoke to you. And he hasn't spoken
Yes.
to you since then. Somebody No, first he said, your son, which is his younger brother, reached out to him and said, "Mommy in the hospital." So did your younger son reach out to him?
Him say never tell him say me have to do no surgery.
But he told him he was in the hospital.
Me in the hospital, yeah.
But he was when he sent the money to the person, the coffee person, he said to the coffee person, make sure she buy food and fruit. There was no mention of a surgery. He said, make sure mommy buy food and fruit because I am thinking along the line saying like, them probably call him and say, you know what, your mother dropped down, she's at the hospital, she have high blood pressure. We know when they go high blood pressure, the doctor will tell us, Bella say, change your diet. Yeah. Most of them tell us, change your diet, eat less salt, eat less, So when he said to the person, say, make sure she buy food and fruits. There was no mention of a surgery.
And when the person said to him one time, when he said, "Mom, must make sure my food."
She person said, "Okay." That's what the person said.
Oh, okay.
There was no mention of a surgery. He played it from his phone. His voice, his recording from his phone.
I don't see no message on my phone.
Wow. No, there's no message on your phone.
Wow.
No.
But what I'm saying to we could say because he said let me play what he said. Like I don't know if you're here, but we have to play. Let me play it because we know what more you hear.
Here we are saying voice message now go through. Anyways, right now you give me the information that I was too late. And I got Barbados tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave the money with me. So my friend, I just want you to send it. I want you to send me the receipt and I can get it. Sorry about that there. I had travel with that Barbados, but I did leave the money with my cousin. So I'm gonna send it to you early in the morning. Sorry about that.
When I hear the voice note clearly, you can play it back again?
No, it's him talk on the voice note. The person not talking, the person who him talk to not talking, Him try to play a voice note, but the person voice note didn't come out clear.
Yeah.
It's only him you hear really a talk. Just listen again.
Really? Yeah.
No, here we are saying the voice message now go through. Anyways, right now you give me the information that I was too late. And I got Barbados tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave the money with me. With my friend, I just want you to send it. I want you to send me the receipt and I can get it. Sorry about that there. I had travel with that Barbados, but I did leave the money with my cousin, so I'm gonna send it to you early in the morning. Sorry about that.
He said, I hear that one. He said leave the money with his cousin.
Yeah, the person who send the money named Anna. The person that send the money on the restaurant name is Anna. I want person named Anna. I have to call her.
Yeah, my people, so that one there, I want clever idea still to clear the name from the phone so that them can see the number. You know what I mean? But nobody now go and expose them number like that. So that one they now go work with people. You see me I say? We have to go just take it as it is. If you want to believe the mother side, you believe the mother side. If you want to believe figure it out side, you believe film side, because there's no way to prove if him send off the money or not. You see me I say him definitely would have to want to clear him name certain way and go to the extreme to do that. But I don't feel like him go do it, you see me, because it go entail to expose the person phone number. And nobody know them phone number. You know what I mean? Out on the internet like that. So I can watch some more.
But her name is Anna.
I don't see anything in my phone,
Alright, let me say something, chat. Let me say something.
Call me.
Let me say something. Figure it out. You know how you can clear up this? Take out the Camille name out of your phone. Take out Camille out of your phone. Hello? And let me see whose number you were talking with. Clear out the contact name out of your WhatsApp, and then we can see who you talk to. That's how we can clear it up in the RT. RT number on my phone, but I came here talk to you. You understand what I say, RT? We can't save RT number on my phone, you know, but I came here talk to. So how we can clear up this whole thing for your mother you send these messages to? Take out the contact name, let the number show, and then you post your receipts. We can clear it up. Then we see who you talk to.
But liar. Then you really have to put yourself through all of that when the mother clearly says she don't get no money.
No, but we say the mother lied, but we say we can clear up it simple.
No, I don't believe the mother.
I believe the mother, but we have to be fair, RT. We believe the mother, but let's be fair. Take out the contact name out of your phone, make we see the number of the person who you was talking to, and see if that contact belongs to your mother. Then we can clear it up. We clear up this up. Take out the name.
Yeah, but right. Somebody said she said someone had her phone. Whether she said somebody have her phone, and if we're not trying to say the person who have her phone must get the money. The woman don't know if nobody getting the money and the text in her phone because she clearly she said she not seen a text.
And it would say deleted messages, but we want to see what message. Come, she talk to her.
I want to ask one question and me done. Camille. When you finish, because it seems like you didn't answer phone, you're mute. So when you finish, unmute. I want you to mute.
Where is it, bro?
I just look over the whole thing. So,
check the MTC number. Check the MTC number.
I know everything on it. I got the number, the person who sent it, and the person who received it.
I don't want that. I want you to check the number. I know who sent it and who received it. I see all of that. I see all of that.
You want me to check the MC?
Yes. One Western Union and check that number and see somebody collected that transaction.
Wow. Some detective over here, so to rat.
I was going to say TikTok.
Camille, I want to know a question. So you are mute.
They must say his page is Coffee Foster. How you mean his page is Coffee Foster 21? Whose page? Oh, where the backside is?
There's a receipt.
No, somebody, no book. That's the way you're doing. Check the Western Union thing for me. Somebody is saying his page is Coffee Foster. Whose page is that? Kenaya, whose page is that?
Camille, come off. Alright, Camille will
I'll get a call. I think she get a call.
But anyhow, alright, we get enough story till she come back. Detective in this and the CIA.
Look at her most recent post. Who is that? Send it to somebody. Make me see. No, we cannot clear up this thing. Tell me say remove Camille name from your phone and screen record your phone again and show you. Simple.
For me, the boy just a liar. For me, is either take the money got up with the small island, or you take the money clear some car where I come off of the wall. The bottom line is the boy a liar, and that's where it is. I don't believe the mother come tell the lies.
I think so too.
She clearly explained when she did the surgery and the woman said free surgery. I don't think the lady got tell a lie. And bitterness did every both side, and so far the woman a clear her name with her daughter and friend. So me believe her. The boy a liar, and a long time the boy a liar. So me not think I nothing new. But people just take time to figure it out now. So figure it out a liar. So that's very
No, I don't want to date and I want to see if there was a transaction in the system and if somebody collected the money.
Yes, there's a transaction.
Somebody.
You know, there's some people that.
What's the date and time? Send it to me.
I'm gonna send it to you.
You know, there's some people that understand. People are commenting saying, "Yeah, bring down your mother." I mean, yeah, bring down your son. Yeah, bring down your son. Like, where do you get like some people coming like one blind, one respect person, one know why here. No, one just have to list a bit. I want to just say, okay, I understand. No, what you mean? She bring down.
Oh, the mother know who is Kofi Foster. The person commented on her page. She's not lying. What?
Yeah, but
we can't.
That's not evidence. Me don't want AI know a 2020 I know. Me don't want them the evidence. The woman come talk it out a good mouth. That is a good receipt. When I come tell me about Kobe this and Kobe Bryant, me him soul rest in peace. When I come stress me out.
The money was sent September 26 and it was so the money and it was received 10:50 September 26. Collect by the receiver. So there's a Kofi Foster. That person get the money.
Well, alright. Whether Bobby get the money or Pastor get the money. Okay, somebody get the money. That's the point taken. But the person who the money was trying to reach come out and say she don't have the money. Who she use for back her? She bring her daughter and a man named Gorilla. So that's two evidence. So there's no way me believe say the mother tell lies to the boy a liar and he never can prove that.
Well, you know why me can't even bank on the boy story to RT? Let me tell you what. Why? First thing come out and say $5,000. He may come back and tell TikTok say a lie we are telling never say that. And
exactly.
So it's like me don't know what to trust with him.
You know what the part for me? I'm gonna tell you the part that beat me overall is that the mother surgery from Wapia kill Philip and you come out and cry. Listen up the crying part. Remember him did a ball and his brother hug him up? So that emotional energy where you come out with and you cry like you hear a sad news and chat, but depressed and chat this like you're a wicked ma'uka. That's wickedness. Remember the whole ball and the whole energy and the whole frequency. My mother, and your mother never in the hospital. So, like, come on, man.
Question, who name Coffee Faster? That I name what we see on the receipt.
Me no know.
That are the receiver name I see on the receipt. Coffee Faster.
Me no know.
Well, guys, obviously that's a scam.
Yeah, somebody in the middle scam him and he just get.
But he says the mother number is sent to.
Alright, my people. So, this are the man who been, I say, figure it out a liar. You see me, I say? So, him have figure it out mother, you know. You see me? So, make we hear the conclusion where them come to, and if he still I go feel like say boy figure it out a liar, you know what I mean?
Because him said, and the voice note said, people, why mommy posting up status and she's supposed to be in the hospital. So
yeah, but
that time me never have my phone.
You know one of the reasons why I'm not to say him scam. Cause him even show a message, like him show the body a message and say, see that I'm a mother in me text. Like what I said, the mother in text, so me never seen on
exactly.
Me never seen on
up at the top.
You know?
Huh? Good evening.
Him send a picture to the person for receive the money. Who him send the picture to? Who send the picture to?
Text message will leak on his page and mother.
Remember when you send off money in here, yes.
The mother number him send it to. Because
well, the person have to send them information to him. So he can show you information when he send.
So he send the money to me?
Yeah, that's your number he send it to. He said Camille at the top of the number. Look on the page.
Anybody, they can't change their name, you know, man. Just school, no man.
Yeah, facts.
So mother, who do you have your phone, mother? Who have your phone? Mother, who have your phone? When I wake up and
have a picture with a receipt and a voice note, couple voice note. Well,
where the voice note say?
The voice note.
When me in the hospital, one girl did have my phone.
Status. Why you in the hospital and you're posting on their status? Something like that.
Where did somebody tell him say?
Nobody no answer. Just about voice note and no reply. That was one of the last. Who was the
girl who did have a phone? That person related to you?
No.
Why? Somebody
need to get to the bottom of the case here, you know. So we just ask
when me I say, you see? So anybody, because remember my phone not have no lock money or whatever. So the girl already have my phone, because remember say if she go in on my phone and see him number in there and take out the and I try look something from him. Remember say she not go tell me, you know.
But he said on the voice note on his phone that the church is posting, and he replied to the story and said, why is it that mommy in the hospital and story is going up on the phone? What's going on?
Cause me ask the girl, you know, me say, my son send no money to you, and she said no. The girl who did have my phone, me ask her, me say, my son send no money to you, and he said
no. The last name start with Afta?
No. The lady,
that's the name and the
lady last name is Williams.
Go for number, get the pictures and the voice note and the receipt.
Me not have no voice note in my phone or no receipt.
Okay. No. All of that is fabricated then, basically.
Huh?
All of that are make up then, I make believe. That the receipt and everything I make believe.
But when me I say suppose the girl he send receipt and she delete all back everything out on my phone, me don't know. Whosoever, me don't know.
This so like he actually send the money for sure.
Well, me don't know, me not get no money.
Why me don't know either? Me don't know either.
This so like the money sending up.
No, but the thing that watch out, but anyway, take it now. You just send money to Western Union, you know. You can contact Western Union to get the information. You know. Then again, you have a name already. You have a name, so you just.
Then you have to copy faster. What's the name on the receipt, bro? If you look for the receipt, good. And something another faster than on the receipt. So, if you look for the receipt, good. And the second name where on it has the sender's name. And at the bottom it show you the recipient and the amount that the person received. Along with the tracking number. But what I am saying
well, is... the person we are asked about if our friend married. Why you don't come up in the box? Where name?
Oh, mommy, what you need to do now, you need to get a hold of the friend. Because it seems like the friend is the one that bringing you and your son into shambles and the internet in front of me.
Bring him to court.
Yeah, me I go get a hold of them. Me I go get a hold of them because don't ask already if my son send the money and she said no.
I sure say him send it to your phone because it's your phone. He said it to me now. As he said in one of the voice notes. Why mommy post story and she's in the hospital. He can't understand what's going on. You understand? Somebody needs to come.
Huh? You can't just come here and say only way you can solve this. Remember saying I have a receipt from Western Union. So all you have to do is send him mother the receipt. Send him mother the receipt. USA you see coffee faster. Where did the money send to? Which country? You didn't see country?
Never show which country, you know.
Alright, so again, so the receipt we have can solve.
Yeah, I like baby. Hold on. The receipt it shows a Trinidad. Where you see the money, US exchange, the exchange rate is where it's a Trinidad.
All you have to send a receipt to him mother then. Simple and it's solved.
You get on him page so she can look on it or make her son look on it.
And the receipt can solve you and everything done. Simple.
I'm not going to send it because I like my tell.
The receipt can solve it when you have a Western Union receipt.
Yeah, nah, I solve because
I didn't do is send it back to my phone then because me not have it on my phone.
Exactly. The date depend on everything when the money was sent. So the receipt
but what me want to know, if him so love him mother and thing, why him stop at Barbados? Why him never go straight at Trinidad then?
If
he's so genuine, if he's so genuine, he want to help him mother. And in Ghana, Barbados has comfort of a man.
Your mother and not your mother was sick or 50-50 chance of dying.
You gonna check your second mother first.
Something alright, that's all.
That sound like when a man gonna check in baby mother or in mother-in-law. Why not go check your mother who push you out first?
Listen again, he sent talk to the doctor.
Yes, that's the part you know.
So you talk to doctor?
Yes, he sent talk to the doctor. The good thing he talk to the
doctor name from social media.
I see a screen recorded this morning when I tell Diamond saying send the money. Diamond say you send the money and he say yes, me left it give me sister, to give me mother. And that he take on the vice now. And then yesterday it was a friend. So I him a mix up himself. So if people
this is why yesterday we say my
contradict himself.
Because the sister the Jamaica, so why you said money go Jamaica to your sister? He got Trinidad.
And he send the money and he say, yeah, me send me left it.
Yeah, I think I heard a voice note, darling. I think I heard a voice note that he said he sent the money.
No voice note, that's screen record, and I can't even tell you the screen record it page when me see it.
Yeah, I think
Listen me. I see somebody texting at the group say he was going Trinidad in the week. Most of the flight from Jamaica.
So people, me did I say figure it out, need to post the receipt with the name on the receipt, the time and everything. You see me? For him can prove say yes him send the money and see there him do it. You know what I mean? So me no really have no reason for believe say him never send the money. So just like what the mother said just now, maybe the person who had her phone, that person are the one who cause the whole confusion because them take the money, you know what I mean, delete everything, and you understand, don't tell the woman or don't give her no money because you hear figure it out in the voice note and say who is this and where is him mother and where. So something spooky go on there, so them need to check out that person that did have the phone. Make you watch some more.
Question, never question. Mother, is he your next of kin? Is he your next of kin?
Huh?
Is your son your next of kin? Meaning, if you're in the hospital and you need to call somebody, he's the person. Is he that person?
My son, no.
Who's your next of kin?
Member say, me and him not talk up, so he can't be my next of kin and him not the Trinidad.
True.
With your phone.
Something right?
Him not the Trinidad, so all you talk to doctor.
I believe the mother 100%.
He said all of this are him classic and he said because of 10 different talking and him can't
The mother
he came up with 3 stories about the money.
I'm not sending no money when
You see, if indeed the panning way, figure Trinidad or in the Trinidad, we can look over all of this. But in stop at Barbados first.
That may say because
stop at Barbados.
Me scroll through the thing when then say then tell me saying they on social media cry. So me scroll through the thing and me see people are comment and ask him why not go look for his mother. And he say his mother they are Trinidad and then he must say my God Barbados. So me no know. No. But you pass, sometime the plane come to Trinidad, go Barbados before we come Trinidad or whatever.
It stop at Barbados first.
By time when you reach Trinidad, maybe more and
then it go Trinidad.
But when I say add RT, but add RT, I can't see people in the box. Anybody will want to talk have to come over on the live and come up in the box. I can't add nobody.
Mommy, what we want to get to is the friend. We need to hear from the friend. Because
you did see the date planning when the money sent?
No, we couldn't look at my
you never see the date, but you make out the country, but you don't make out the date.
I can't take down for the man.
We make out the country, but we never make out the date.
I date are the problem, we want to see the date.
We never see the date, we only see the country.
So zoom it up and say we can see the date.
The date important.
Well, I see
it out bad.
Only some add in our box.
RT over here, enough of it.
The date important. The date is very important.
Oh, so look if you can pull up the receipt for me, please. But people can see it.
Me screenshot it to my go use the patient magnifying glass and say me can see it and me zoom me do everything and me can't see nothing. So I don't know how you make out this or your eye good.
So unfortunately, the faster I catch the faster, I'm catch the TT. The TT they don't have they do because of the fastest is very clear. You can see the fastest. once you know word, you can know it's fast as it pronounced. You understand? But what I'm trying to get to is he said he sent the money receipt to the mother phone.
Understanding about the
How come now, after how much years the mother don't have a video or a picture? Because remember, you know, if this
mommy, did you pay to do your surgery, mommy?
Me do my surgery from last month.
Did you pay? Did it cost you?
Huh?
It cost you or free?
It's free. And I from last month, and me and him no talk last month. Is this morning me send a voice note to him phone because as me say, he sent 200 US come give me a couple months ago. If I'm not early up in this year or in last year, he send it come give me. And from he send it come give me I call back in phone and he never answer back.
Okay,
and me said to him little brother, say I wonder if he feel like a something me I beg him make him not answer him phone.
So the surgery was free. And then me hear me say again, then say whether you do surgery, yes or no, a life and death. You know. Listen, take me down.
You know you have some idiot in the comment section saying what you do.
Them alright, man. Don't pay them no, man. Them not understanding, and most of them just see it, you know, then just come and love, type and love, then just give them finger problem. Some of them know.
Understand, say maybe you can get scam, you know, but the point of me I say, if you love your mother so much, why you stop a Barbados? Why you stop a Barbados?
That's a $1 million question. It need answers.
Chrissy, I saw them time. She like, hey girl, go your yard no man. Cause you love people yard, so we yard over here. At 10 o'clock at night, go on your yard. Which one our last post?
Down there.
Our last post is this is our last post.
Hey, Annie, I push up herself in a GX. I don't know, say that is Rosealee baby father, and there's nothing you can do to get between that and right now. Although him have a voice or him have an audience on TikTok, him still under Rosealee roof. Him still have to take talk for Rosealee, and you know look like say him are the type of person to get himself involved in a mix up and passa, so him are gonna try avoid it at all costs. So as so this is a result of that what me just explained to you know, and he no get to play no match with him. You see me I say Annie, boy, them say Annie love man so till, but Jaja, why tell more anything people? Make a watch some more.
Our last post is it have to be a lie. I don't know true. I don't know true that.
Ruffles, all different type of snacks that you like. Most of the people that were overseas on a donut, so on the snackies girlies, on the can get on an iCool, chubby, all of them little juice there, all of them little snacks there, wanna use to eat, wanna look a bit, wanna love, check. What's your name again? Wait, girl. So check 25 deals. I'm gonna put her business card along on the video. Please go over there.
It's a promotion, share to the last video what she do is a promotion.
Follow her, like up our video them, just get her out for the FYP.
Yeah, see there is a
we will support our business as a young mom, as a child.
They say about Chanel, one girl there starts to some about you.
What me do?
She says, I'm moving out of breed, me come in and move. Not me alone, Chanel.
Alright guys, see everything here. So everything here.
Jesus Christ.
Cheese puff. We have tartitos, tartinas.
Got your bed and top say that.
Squeeze.
Stop say that. Top say that.
Cheesies. Cheese crunches.
Stop say that.
Peanut butter biscuit. This is my favorite.
Who you say Ann at Jake's? Who go at Jake's? 10 o'clock at night when all of my gift of them gone. And next thing come beat me and batter me over here. Me not add no Jake's. Me did there from long time awake and Jake's no show up. I'd wish Jake's at me tell you we go drink NSC and sleep out the match. Me not add no jakes. When all of my shooter them come, jakes this ready to come on live? You must be mad. You go on here, come off a live right now. Chanel done. Chanel done. Stop calling me man done. Add him. No, me not add nobody. We roll out. All of my army roll out. All of my people them roll out to the shoot down in place. Jagger, don't play with me. Jagger, stop it. Jagger, if you do it, me I go vex. No, Jagger, no. No, Jagger, no. Jagger, me tell you about what you know. Give me my things. Jagger, put on my things. Gas shop. Gas shop. Look this. Don't add him. Me not add him. I done it done. We prepare for the match. All of my people them roll out. Right now my people them I say we play a match with Smaddies.
Yeah, this way I go to.
Jagger, just school no man. I forgot drive go down the road in a bro. Just school no man. No.
That's 2 again.
No. Jagger, come on man. Have some conscience. Give me some. No, go down the road. Drive go down the road. Money and bag. He was tired. Well, the match can't go on again, guys. All of my shooter them gone. Gone. Me can't make jakes batter me. So my people them did prepare today for come shoot for me. Me can't play no match, so the match have to put off. Me can't do that. No, me done. Everybody go look here. All of my people them roll out today for shoot for me. So all of my people them gone at 11 o'clock. Blame them over there. I tell him be a lie. Blame them about him, man, you know. Blame them go about him business. Guys, here what? You see if the match we pass up, me now go back in it again. Me already do my thing. Yeah, man, I know I'm tired, but we can't play a match, so my people them gone, I'm not gonna go back over it.
To me, over $1,000 Jamaican. She gonna make me know so that yeah, and she never blood clot. When I get my money for back, back to school, she never know that is what that's why I think that happened to me over $1,000 Jamaican. Me cut my line and that's why I don't want to go back home. Me I go and circle the globe. So I circle the globe and go home. Me sleep with my bank account and I need my mattress. Me sleep with my bank account and hide it. I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna pies in my food. Me a top cook. Why Barbie along? You know say me not Barbie dash me way. I say easy to switch. Yeah, I'm a top cook. The food now cook. Me now cook. The food now cook. And that's why I'm $1,000. Yeah. I mean, I say, look, you watch your boobs. What do you me there? I'm not going to feel my more so. I'm dipping on my account, I'm drawing my money, I'm making say, Me dipping on my account, I'm drawing money, I'm say, One go start out tool go something for my sister for go back to school because at the end of the day, it will look too bad. Sorry, start out for my little sister. Out of my one pocket. But I know you never spend so much. Because I don't like the shoes that I show up on her foot. So I say buy her sneakers, buy her uniform, get her bag, get her this and get her that. So the book list now, you're your man, you come and take up them responsibility. You know, take up them responsibility. I say, alright then, me give the money, go look about her uniform and her shoes and her bag. And so look necessary. So I book them, you or your husband can start out a book list. You and your husband can start out a book list. I know if my dad and she want lunch when she ask me still will give them set speed. Cause so me stay. She tell me she will reach me. But I don't want them sorry for me neither. I don't want you sorry for me. Me don't want them sorry for me. Me don't want them sorry for me.
process. You have to go through the process in a life. You know who with you and who done with you. More have to tell if you.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm going to race through the rest of this. Because I have enough more to share. So let me know what you think. I can watch some more.
The most of my help when me receive in a life, a stranger help me out. Most of my help. Some people me don't know from nowhere. And people help me out in a life when I don't know from nowhere. Stranger. All you want from no bad mind you. My mama look at me and tell me say that about 4. That's when me just start TikTok yes and me a panga. Me have the money you know. Me just start TikTok yes so and me a panga. Me mean me a panga. I'm the one look up panga ring. I remember one man my mama get up and cuss me make me know say me a soon 30. I mean, I have nothing. Move your blood clot. So move your blood clot. You're soon 30. You don't have nothing. You don't even have a bed. I'm see younger than you have things in a dinner way. I'm sorry that I say. In time they not chat. Forget one look up powder jar for buy. Forget one look up powder jar for go buy my bed and start set up myself, you know. I mean me the pan yaso and I go and panga. And then I know my business come in and not chat my business. Bam, I just say bam bed come in. Bam that come in. Bam. I'm more luck. Tell me she's to me one day say, me can't beg a drink of water your fish. I said no. Me can't rest one next time she come. Me can't rest this little fish. I said no. Me still a cough. I said no. One day she come from round to do one drinks. Come here, big pussy woman. Our big pussy boy. Black. The carrots is everything. I said no. She start. I said I'm not with me. I said why you buy the juice at? You know you do have a fridge. And I wonder how I buy first mash up and now cool. I'm just dash to and buy a new one. From God be for you who can be against. It's an internet, it's a 9-day talk. So the internet is a 9-day talk, not even 9, 3. In a community, it's a 9-day talk, internet a 3-day talk. You make some of them go and chat. All some of them there for just chat. Them click them live, them click them live, and when them click them live, them just add the one that bag kill these people. Them click them live, and when them click them live, them just add the one bag kill these people in the box of chat if I'm just still done. Over one live last night I pay dirty boy over there chat. So you know if you want some followers, I'm not for beg on TikTok. Then if you're not begging on TikTok, why would you click live and add one back people but just people still on chat for hear what you gonna say? All of them are look platform. Me say people left them up for beg. Me don't know what some of them are. All of them are look platform. I mean some of them class, me the most of them still can't be me. Some of them class, but the most of them still cannot be a Rosealee. You still can't get down in a Rosealee fever. You still can't get in a Rosealee skin. Because of one thing you don't understand, me no care. So I just start TikTok, me did care. And them stop them I try to put in up. And them stop them I try to put all more and put all and figure it out, Eddie. You not care. Stop care. Stop care talk about what them are gonna say. over butter. Them not really matter saying that for mine. I want to me say class, me I want them to say picnic day at school and teacher right. You think me not see it? Me see it. Me see it. Oh, roll and grab the teacher that can spell a good grammar. She don't say that me and I teach him at teacher school. Me see it. Me see everything on the net. Everything when them say about me see it. Me not care. I not care. So for what? You know see Jesus they turn water and wine and multiply fish and bread and them still crucify him. Me, who that? Who doing the man? Up in the fire. Me, I know God. Me I know God. Me a human being. Them do me the worst by ya. My time I tell them say them do me the worst by ya. Them send police and me and police with them house. Them class me over the one door. Them class my house this, my house that. Them class me. Them tell me all jokes and this. Them class me the most by ya. I want them done class me the most by ya. Them still been a right CD from last year. So them come for crumble me and crush me for the platform that I created. Them want to crumble me for the platform of me created. I still come the same way. Everything Max want taping in them good. I'm not turn the back on the people that me love. It's a ride or die person. Them good. I my opinion never gonna pay judgment me that create and chaos. Them are for good. I mean know them good. Anyway, I'm going to the world, I'm being me. So people like me, for me know you, I like you. I like you. I like it, it's a drama to you. How for them bring me down over here? Page when I'm come here, I'll 3 o'clock in the night them slump on my name. I'll 5 or 4 o'clock in the night them slump on my name in a box. Every night. Figure out they can run from that here, my bro. Ever just load them, make them talk. Yeah. Don't care what them are gonna sit down and talk, if you just load them, make them talk. Chumba! I say all in a 3 o'clock. I say all in a 3 o'clock at night. When me a slide on the bed and scroll through TikTok, them sit on the box for my name. One of them go over, one of them, I'm not sorry for you coming. One of them, I'm not sorry for you coming out even like card. Put them myself. I said, don't sorry for them a blood clot and go suck your mama and block the page. Since me a paradigm a pay episode. Diamond me made, Diamond this, me soon cost Diamond, me soon cost Diamond. When Diamond cost me Diamond drive, we see what kind of receipt Diamond for drive. But me a cost Diamond for. What Diamond cost me for. So everybody will go around, I saw Diamond evil, I saw me evil, everybody will go around, we are walk and look ammunition from people for what? Teamwork make the dream work. When me a cost Diamond for. Me can't cost somebody so long and cook food, give me for them. She can't spit in it and pies, you don't have sense. Something wrong with someone, you know, idiot. How can you cost somebody and cook some food, you idiot? They couldn't do anything to it. They can't buy the ants and feed you. In a life. When me a cost her for. And I want to ask someone, oh, that's so cost that for what? What am I cost her for? The whole of way, woman, the whole of way fucks up, bite, lit and chew, the whole of way bleed. Bird don't you the whole of way. Everybody smell. Everybody smell. When the arm green, they brush up. When the arm green, you go beard. When the pussy rank, you go beard. When the mouth smell funky, you go. When the arm want wash your beard, when the mouth you may smell how every blood clot body smell. That's how wake up and brush your teeth and bathe. The fuck? You dunce? You might smell how? Come on. When you hear me, come to me.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We can watch someone and then move on to the next.
Life. And I tell me not to hear me event. Everybody smell. That's why we get up and do morning routine. We bathe and wash your clothes. Me no cause people unless people come for me. Me no mad. Me no cause them for. Me no have something. Oh, she soon cause them and say what? What you know always I say? I don't know I must know always I say about people. What them gonna cause me and tell me so you know always I tell me say? And that's all we are gonna cause one and I tell one of what you know I say. It's a repeat of everything. We all smell. That's why we get up and bathe and brush your teeth and wash out the hole. We don't Lego people. Me no walk and disrespect unless people come for me.
Yo, you see the art I have, I still have to just look on people and say, yo, they are just people, they're a human being. You understand? But you see, Rose, bro, I'm telling you this over and over. No, man, I promise you, I'm not saying nothing bad about Rose. I'm telling you, you know. You see, Rose, people that man support them, and uno, I go be our downfall. Because the more she do, because let me tell you how me view Rose. You see, it's just everything what she do, what we know say fuck up, the way how she behave. Rose in her mind feel like say people hate her, bro. No, Rose, nobody not hate Rose. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Okay. Nobody not hate Rose. People just hate her ways. You see when Rose sit down and talk about, oh, they don't like me because Rose, nobody not hate. Nobody not hate Rose. Me I tell you that. Nobody stop tell yourself say people hate you. Nobody not hate you. Me for one, me just hate your ways. And then you as a person, you continue to behave the way how you behave because people are support your behavior. And then you know what go on? Because Rose, me know where you go through, you know, me can't read people, you know. Not because when I say me get beat up and me not say me should have known, me can't read people. Rose sad for every fucking thing what go on right now. She not feel good about it. She don't feel good about what go on right now. Like the last screen recording me see, she and what the youth name again? Roy Q up on live and one song I play, and then she just start ball. Big ball, and she get up and run off. Bro, you see them look at something there? Let me tell you now. You see when you see people behave so? You see because when Rose behave certain way, alright, Rose you're fat and that is okay. I know you make yourself, you're fat and I just so yes, you're fat, fine. You see, what you don't know, you start tell people, say yo, oh, show me fat and this, them not like me. Rose, nobody not hate you, bro. Nobody believe. Remember, say me tell you to come on TikTok and come play a match, you know. Nobody not hate you. People just hate your ways. You just need to stop certain things where you do because people are gonna love you regardless. Remember when you just come out and say your very first it's slang was do this and beat me, that go viral and you never disgusting. No, you don't understand. You see people who really do hate her are things what she do to them. Are things what she do to them make people like people have video and yeah spit off for people and all them because something there. Of course people are gonna hate you for that. You add people to your live, I bet you never bother add them. Despite them it is very annoying when people are sending a request and you decline and them still are sending, you know. We know cause as TikTokers we know all that go. But we just still decline them. You can't, it don't make sense to add somebody Rose and remember say these are people who really love you off, you know. People will say, yo, but Buckler Rose upon my friggin' screen and then we'll take a screenshot at the same time. But when you know and come and say, well, yeah, you start, it's like somebody will look up to so much just come and just spit in your face. I say it feel. You see me? Nobody not really hate Rose, bro. People just hate Rose behavior. I mean, I tell you, say Rose herself hate her behavior. She herself hate her behavior. But what happened now, her behavior, what she do right now, it makes she become more popular. I don't think she really want to do what she do, you know. I don't think she want the way how she be. I don't think she really want to do it. But she realize say, yo, boy, the more me be disgusting and more people in support that way as I make money. But really and truly when she turn off the fucking camera, bro, and lie down, me know it a liquor chip. Me know it like me not ask you, bro, unless you're not a human being. Me know you feel a friggin' way when you turn off your camera. And all you need for the Rose, me can tell you. Me and you not really friend. You tell like me one time and say me come here to do your things when you know say me come here to talk and say, yo Rose, why you do this? You know, just stop now. And then they come back, come admit and say, yo, you know say me never come for you, you know. See? And from that, me just say,
alright, my people, so
which you go back to the same thing again. Rose knows say me never come for do shit. But because when she starts, oh, you come on my yard, and me should have stabbed you. It's like one bag of people now start say, yeah man, when you do at the woman yard, she should have this. And then they start support and then me start look like the pussy, me start look like the bad guy. When she knows say, and that's not the case. That's why me I tell you say, are the people them. Are the people them who support Rose behavior, bro. Because Rose don't manipulate all around to make them feel like say we hate her. Nobody not really hate Rose, and only the people them who really do her something. Yeah man, Zoom everything good. Only the people them who Rose literally do something are gonna hate her. Rest of we not hate Rose, bro. We not no reason for hate somebody. If you're fat, you're just fat. You don't even ugly. Rose not ugly, you know. No, me I telling you the truth. I remember saying me not fun. You know the only time Rose ugly, I when she alright. You know when Rosie really look good, you see one time. I remember I think I wish part to go, Swiss or Rebel. One of them party where we go. And she there in a nice good jeans dress. Cause them time she never have no really bad behavior. But when you start behave and this you do some disgusting thing at them time there, you actually your personality become ugly till you start show up on the outside. But overall you're not even ugly, bro. But because you behave certain way and in your mind you feel like say if you stop behave that way, yeah, people are gonna stop support you. But me can tell you, if that be the case, Rose, if that be the case, it go worth it for you stop behave. So cause see all them something will happen, you know. Everything we see happen right now, you know. Let's say this, you're there on top. You're there on top. You're a big superstar. You make your money. See? But in a reality now, look what happened. A superstar, you love your kids and your kids and them not there your foot. So ask yourself now, it worth it? I'm sure say it not worth it. It don't worth it, bro. Sometimes when you do some things for this hype life, when you do some things for this, and I will like a majority of TikToker them do them something here, bro. When you go so hard to get this piece of bread, to get this piece of hype life, and me I tell you say you're gonna end up regret it after. Cause it don't worth it. I'm tired of telling you say selling your soul don't mean say you not sacrifice, as in kill somebody, you know. I'm done telling you that thing, so you not do, you not sacrifice, you no moral and integrity on the app. And the more you do it, the more you can get it back. I Jayden for me not playing no match. I'm not playing no match right now. So yeah, as I'm telling you now, me never come for talk bad about Rose. I not talk bad about Rose. We just they now could talk in mood, so that's a reason. But she need to do better, bro. Like you can't. I don't know if you continue to stay so, but I know say you're sad. I know say you're sad, bro. I'm not get involved with your man either. Cause that's a funny thing. You know the truth about your man, and your man know the truth about you. I will like 12 years on a day. I say I cuss the man in a class, the man and I'm like, bro, yeah, I said the man ugly. Bro, yeah, come on, man, you're not there if you're the man for 12 years or never. The man end up getting two kids and stay with you. Bro, like, boy, I don't know. As I'm saying, I not touch a part there. When you come on to, I always tell you, when you come on to man and woman sitting, I just leave out that part there, bro. I allow them, make them do them thing. Who there in the chat? Where are?
Yo, TJ.
Where are?
You're not upset, bro. You're not upset.
Not tell them more. I upset yesterday. But don't tell them already say your deal. But I don't fix that already, man.
So you tell them so I give around 300,000 or so.
300,000 you bumbo clad. You give us 300,000 there.
TJ, don't me show them a receipt now.
Send him receipt, come give me. Send it.
TJ, don't talk about Rosealee. Leave Rosealee alone.
No, I'm not saying bad about Rosealee. You know I'm stay, dog. I'm not saying bad about her, but I just know that she don't feel good in herself, bro.
Yeah, man, a dog shit that, man. I tell me.
Yo.
Our behavior. I say our behavior not ready yet. You see it. You see me I say, and the people where they run her, bro, if them not tell her, bro, them need to tell her you. You see it. Because she only bring them herself, dog. You see me I say?
But like, you're not talking to Jayden if you call her. You see when you do it, you see like how you have her number and can talk to her if you call her and talk to her serious. Just like when you do fuck remote call her and say, Jet dog, this not right. Call her and talk to her and make sure you know if it's true, dog.
Rose not answer my call them master.
She got answer you, Jayden.
When Rose have man, Rose no remember nobody. Tell me I tell you that. I tell her that, TJ.
Yo,
you see. When Rose have man, Rose no remember nobody youth. You see.
She not a man now, brother. Call him.
I did know say Rosealee when go ask her, you know why she start ask her, bro. She cannot project her energy on everybody else but herself.
Yeah.
Cause she hurt, bro. You see it. She give everybody the blame.
Yeah.
More than herself, dog. You see me I say?
Yeah, she never
TJ love her, though, you know.
Eh? Where you say a while ago? Where you say a while ago? But yeah, him actually, that little boy there, him have sense, you know. All I see him love him fuckery, he have sense. Love him rascal. Where was your love when your bumbo clock run out left a bill and make with Tony that no know what to do? But anyway, really and truly, man, me I tell you, man, you know, Rose, I don't want to feel like say me don't pay your name, and I hope if you see this, nobody feel like say, yo, me I call up your name and this. Come on, and say, oh, this and that, and that's why you get beat up and you feel love people business. Or member say, yo, you know, no look, I'm tired for you then sitting there. Come, I am quite fine. But alright, I'm quite fine. But being one thing, bro, yo, I just wish you could have just change up your act, bro. I just wish you could have you just not have to do certain things. You feel like you have to do it because you do it and it give you a name, so you feel like you can't stop. But me know within your deep soul, you must want to stop. Because it don't fucking worth it in the end. None of this can't worth it, bro. It no matter how much money you make, it can't worth it. Cause you can't reach and happy for true, you know that. Well, but just leave, you know. Just leave, you know. We cannot do anything. But anyway, I think I talked to you enough now. just in a defense mode. But that's what me I try explain. There was not much to defend yourself about, because people really do not hate her. Them hate her behavior.
Hey, this all me can say to Rose, you know what I mean? More money, more problem. And the higher you climb, the more people see you. So just be careful what you do. Although I know say Rosealee don't give a F-U-C-K, she gonna do her regardless. You know what I mean? So let me know all the things when people will listen some more. Cause TJ I gonna tell you now who are the worst dress before the Anisha funeral.
Rate the drip them. Jayden, a 2 out of 10 you get. Alright, I could talk about, I could rate outfit. I could rate, because I'm saying one rate outfit. Alright. The worst person what did there at Jayden, since you know, because of him love come and review about people, you know. The man just in a, I don't know if, which funeral the man go so. In them pencil foot jeans, one little white shirt, we stretch out, and one shoes. That's all. And him want to come and take, yo, that boy there. yo, that dude there, yo, a real sample man, you know. The man a real blood class sample man. Me I telling you, Jayden a real blood class. Him quick to come talk about where people in a and one grade people out of 10 with them Avan. And this man in a one pencil foot jeans. Can you know same foot come like pencil for true. One white shirt and him bag chain name when me I said, dog, better pray so lightning no flash no, cause if lightning flash you get fucked. One bag of rusty metal left on his neck. Me I said, brother, what you did there sitting here, you have your money, they carve them the brother. But then say a style. So I say, alright, then you make it stay. But anyway, we there we TikTok them and everybody are all of vibes. Oh, we never really want to come in at the TikTok. And Maya force him and Onila force him and say, come in man, you have to do something man, and you know, as so comes we get him for go and participate and do it. Cause as what I say, yo, you can't say the dog cut up, bro. The dog feel away for true, the man feel away about everything for true. As he should. Your daughter mother gone. You see me? Alright now, reaching at the restaurant now. Everybody there they order them food. You see me? Order our food out there. And we still around we could joke and try vibes up the place. Be people up and wake, you know. Worse them I say so much TikTok at one time. You know, it's a whole vibe. People are celebrate them birthday, people want to take picture with you, all of that. You see me? Right, yeah, right, you. Oh yes! You see, this is why me I try showing you know. Well, I will soon get to the food part. This is why me I try showing you say, a Jamaica alone do certain things, bro. Go back, me I take a quick back, go to the funeral. When we did at the funeral, yeah, see and Lee come after. When we did at the funeral, Zine, when we reach, come remember say me reach when the service done. Alright, you did it for a long time. When them bury the body and we walk go back to the car, like Rocky actually come and ask him, come and talk to me. Like him and say, yo TJ, I ask you a question. I saw Jamaica funeral go with people that dance and that twerk and I sitting there. And then I look at it and me and say, but you know it kinda what happen, you know how bands go. I remember say them did have a live bands, right? And you remember say the girl them a dance and the drummer play them drum and the girl them a do them little thing and them a shake them ass. So it's like if I say, yo, that's unusual. You see me? And then I start looking at it and me and say, you know, it's kinda unusual for true, but them remember say really and truly majority at the funeral them actually have bands. You see?
That's one I know, bro. Then I come off of TikTok and I just want to get back my fitness, bro. See, I get him back. I come off of TikTok, man. I mean, I tell you, bro. Now I go see what I go on, man. Me I go make some bumbuck like sample out of some of that. That is a trick. Me I tell you that. And I say me there, so I'm not even talk. To my lawyer, so I can't say nothing, dog. Let me there, so dog. Don't worry on yourself, man. And I say Zoe next, man. Me see all people I make video. I say, yeah, my baby should get take a long time. Don't worry on yourself, man. Don't worry on yourself, man.
Uno no win, na. Uno no win. Dime como una win. You hear that? Me say, uno no win. Hold yourself, man. Think good, man. I'll keep on talking, man. Yeah, man. Talk, please. More disrespect, me I beg you now. Come along. Same thing on the rose, man. I feel time to get it. Yeah, man. Disrespect, man. Continue.
About 10 minutes. I don't think it was 15 minutes. It wasn't even open. It wasn't even there uncovered for 15 minutes, to be honest. And it went on, and whatever was said, the eulogy was read, which makes no sense because I thought the eulogy was supposed to speak about the person's life, what they accomplished, the good times, the memories. The eulogy wasn't like that. To me, and again, it's my opinion, the eulogy was more like it was throwing words, like they were trying to blame somebody or trying to talk about jerk. What would you talk about that jerk pan that her boyfriend had bought and taken back or some shit? And what would you talk about her mom wasn't really involved in her life at a time like this, right? It didn't make sense at all. It was more like you're trying to look like somebody and trying to put somebody else down at the same time, right?
That means a whole heap of things are going over the man.
Yeah. The next thing I thought was weird was when they got to the graveside. Usually when you get to the graveside, because I buried my mom, I buried my grandmother, I buried my father, and I buried 2 babies. So usually when you get to the graveside, they usually leave you out for a bit and open the casket again.
Yes,
for who didn't get to see the body in the church.
Forever, it just depends, because some people just nobody open it again.
All right, but even if you're not about to open it again, the pastor usually come, the pastor usually pray again, and the pastor do the committal.
That is true.
The pastor usually do the commit. At that point is when the pastor should be doing the committal, right? Where they whatever them read something from the Bible and then them say ashes to ashes, dust to dust, and blah blah blah, right?
Yes.
None of that never happened. The minute them walk up to the graveside, we scrub with the casket.
I want thing, you know. I want thing,
Just a second. Bless me, just a second. Just a second. You're going to get your chance.
Make them do what I have to do and make them stay as long as they need to. Right? So the minute they got there, they didn't even set it down for a minute. The stepmother said, come, we'll put her under, and then make them go under there, go do what they need to do, and make them stay as long as they need to stand. I don't know what the hell that is, because like I said, I never experienced that in my life.
All right. So
make them stay as long as they want to stay.
All right. So forever, we're going to rotate the box. We're going to rotate the box. We're going to... People, please take 1 minute. Please, may I beg you. Because my box full, you know. My box full. Me know so no want to talk to a scrub. Because the box fully packed. All right, people. Who enjoyed the funeral yesterday?
Nobody.
Put in the comment section. Hold on. Put in the comment section. And please do tap up the screen if you like in the conversation over here. Remember, say, Una can't tell me, I don't know.
Yes, and we're sharing our point of view.
Right. Remember, Una come tell me.
At 2 sides, so we're going to talk on the 2 sides.
All right.
For Anisha family, you see if they may make we involved in everything from the get-go, it would look so bad. You understand? But they want to take over everything, the stepmama. But me don't know, you know, because Jamaica, we know real Jamaica, you know. Because that could have gone with my pitney, you know.
Well, bless.
My man dead now. That could have worked. But we have to look on the 2 sides of the story. Family side and our side. Because we want to play a part for a long time and then I shut him out. When me get to understand is the stepmother say, him not contribute no money. You didn't say anything
Lord
to him.
Jesus, bless me.
Did
Oh, you know
ask?
that? The stepmother did come talk?
No worry yourself.
Then
family
oh, you
yard.
know that. No, you can't bring alleged problem. No, no.
Listen me. Tell them say, me over TikTok, bless me, find the page. Any one of them want to come find. When they sit down and discuss the matter with the family of foreign, and the family of foreign ask them, say, where father do. We don't want to involve, we don't want to find him. If they may make TikTok bury him.
Yeah, but them decide to bury them family, so what we are going to do?
But if they may call upon we too,
with how we
yeah, but bless me and everybody I got come out from big. People want to bury them family.
And this feel like say them never want to take nothing from him because them want to have some reason, some way for bash.
My people, me just feel like say this whole situation is just a sad one. You know what I mean? And it's so unfortunate for this girl that lose her 3 points some type of way. You know what I mean? But RIP to her and condolences, no matter what them say or do. You know what I mean? She can't come back. You see me, I say, I feel like say the family should have show them differences aside when it comes to evil Owie and just involve everybody in at the send off and just do it. You know what I mean? But you can't tell people what to do and the grudges with them are all on them something. You can't, you know what I mean, tell them what to do. You understand? But me hear them I say a bunch of things about Owie. Me don't know how truth it is, but when I live with people, it's just sad overall. That's all I have to say. So I can watch a bit more and then move on to the next.
Thank you. Yes, so then come out. When me then come out, I can't say this and say that.
Maybe if him, so bless me, you know, if them did ask him for anything.
They never ask him for anything. He go and ask what is the next step.
Okay.
Right? With everything. And them shut him out. Even when you know humble.
Judy, make me hear the lady.
You know humble. So he not go like take disrespect 2 times. One he come and he ask for the next step. You just work with him now. Not because he money now if you come in your hand, for you say yes. Cause if we did give them the money same way, you know that say no do nothing same way.
If we did give them the money, you sound like a family member.
If we did give them the money, then they would have said.
So are you a family member?
And
don't you say if you say if we come the man, are you a family member?
Don't worry.
No, you can't come up your content and say don't worry. Come the man, Miss that slow. You said if we come the man, I stop your talk, you know, me pick up on things quick. Come now.
We're a family member.
Oh, you're a family member. Then that's what you don't tell me.
We said find out for him because he never did want to go ask anything. You understand? So we say be the bigger person and do it. You understand? And then now they must say, I said we go and we give them the money there and then do what they want to do, then that still can't say we don't give them money. Because the one know we had so we could respond to 100 of that, we could respond to that and we could respond to that, they don't want that. They want be one to say them do everything. So what you see this time when they're ready then if you come and them I go hear what go happen. Tell them to try after him and then we see.
What you mean try after him, ma'am? What you mean?
You see?
But they never said them a try after him.
They never tell you. Then somebody will come tell us them how do something. Somebody will tell us them how do something, miss?
No, them not tell you, but
they not tell you. Oh, well me I tell them tell them to try after him. You see, people live their happy life and through them live, them a live better you're happy. Tell his sister saying he can't get Owie and he can't get Nisha.
Bless me. That's too much. No, my love. When I reach my family, sitting here.